Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by parking the BMW 3 Series with the front wheels straight and the steering wheel centered. Mark the wheel-to-column alignment with an adhesive marker so reinstallation is exact. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 10 minutes to allow the airbag system to discharge. Leave keys out of the ignition. Assemble tools before starting: Torx T30 driver, 17mm socket and ratchet, trim pry tools, and a soft cloth to protect surfaces. To remove the airbag, locate the access holes or rear screws behind the steering wheel spokes and use a Torx T30 driver to loosen the retaining screws. Gently pull the airbag module forward a few centimeters and reach behind to unplug the airbag connectors. Press the retaining tabs and separate each connector carefully. Once free, place the airbag module face up on a soft cloth and store it away from heat, static, and electrical sources until reinstallation. With the airbag removed, use a 17mm socket to loosen and hand-turn the central retaining nut while supporting the wheel. Remove the nut and pull the wheel straight off the splined column, easing around the clock spring. Inspect the clock spring and connector. Replace if damaged. To reinstall, align the adhesive mark with the column, slide the wheel onto the splines, and hand-thread the 17mm nut before torquing to factory specification. Reconnect airbag connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.